Start. The challenge in the present appeal is to the judgment of the High Court passed in a writ petition. Full stop. While the aforesaid judgment, the division bench of the High Court had set aside the order dated 3/3/1993, passed by the appellant bank, wherein the punishment of dismissal was imposed upon the respondent number 1, and the order dated 23/7/1993, by which the appeal filed by him was dismissed by the appellate authority. Full stop. Briefly, the facts, available on record, are that the respondent number 1 was appointed as an apprentice in the appellant bank in the year 1952. Full stop. In the year 1974, he was posted as a branch manager at Muradabad branch. Full stop. From there, he was transferred to Calcutta main branch as an assistant manager. Full stop. In the year 1976, the respondent number 1 was promoted and was transferred to Bombay as senior management scale 4th officer. Full stop. Between the year 1988 90, he served as an assistant general manager at Bombay main branch. Full stop. He attained the age of superannuation on 2/7/1991 and was due to retire on 31/7/1991. Full stop. An intimation notice for retirement was served upon him on 7/5/1991. Full stop. Immediately, thereafter on 17/6/1991, the respondent number 1 was served with a memo requiring him to explain the irregularities and lapses relating to certain accounts during his tenure when he was heading the Bombay main branch. Full stop. While later dated 26/1991, he sought time and certain documents to enable him to reply to the show cause notice. Full stop. A fresh notice was served upon him on 6/7/1991, to which the respondent number 1 again sought time and the documents for filing his reply. Full stop. On 15/7/1991, the general manager personnel exercising power under regulation 12 of the 1976 regulations placed the respondent number 1 under suspension and ordered that the respondent number 1 shall not be retired from the service of the bank, despite attaining the age of superannuation under regulation 20 (3) third of the 1979 regulations. Full stop. Aggrieved by the order of suspension, the respondent number 1 preferred an appeal which was dismissed by the appellate authority on 7/11/1991. Full stop. A charge sheet dated 7/12/1991 was served upon the respondent number 1 on 10/12/1991 and he was called upon to face the departmental inquiry. Full stop. The respondent number 1 filed his reply to the charge sheet, denying all the allegations as baseless. Full stop. The order of suspension was challenged by the respondent number 1 by filing a writ petition before the High Court, which was disposed of on 10/1/1992, with certain directions regarding the inquiry, while not interfering with the order of suspension. Full stop. On 9/4/1992, the inquiry officer submitted his report. Full stop. On 3/3/1993, the disciplinary authority dismissed the respondent number 1 from the service under regulations 7 read with regulation 4-D of the 1976 regulations. Full stop. The respondent number 1, aggrieved against the judgment and order of dismissal, preferred a statutory appeal, which was dismissed by the appellate authority on 23/7/1993. Full stop. The aforesaid order was challenged by the respondent number 1 by filing a writ petition in the High Court, which was allowed by the impugned order. full stop. Against the forced order, comma, the appellant bank is in appeal before this court, full stop.